Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy and super crunchy pani puri at home. It's very easy. Only few things you have to remember, then you can make very crispy and crunchy pani puri at home. So for that I'm using a large platter and I'm using semolina to make a crispy market style pani puri at home. So here 100 gram of semolina. So the measurement is we have to use 10 milliliter of refined oil per 50 gram of semolina. Then your golgappa is become super crunchy like market. So let's start. First here I took 100 gram of semolina and now I'm going to add 20 milliliter of refined oil. We have to use lukewarm refined oil, okay? So now I'm going to add 20 ml of lukewarm refined oil. So here it is 20 milliliter of lukewarm refined oil. Now add in it and mix it very well. Now we have to mix it very well. And just look at the mixture. So now it is properly mixed. So now I'm going to add lukewarm water. Very slowly we have to make a smooth dough because the semolina is able to absorb the water. So we have to make a smooth dough. So we are going to add lukewarm water very slowly and mix it very well. We have to add the water slowly and mix it well and make a smooth dough. So the dough is fine. Now we have to take the dough in our hand and throw it like this. Almost 15 to 17 times. Then our golgappa is going to be so crispy, and so just throw it like this for 15 to 17 times. It's very important. So let's do it and then see you. So now it is ready. We don't need to keep it for rest, okay? So now I'm going to make small balls according to the pani puri size. So let's make small balls. Here our dough is completely ready. So we can make both kind of pani puri. This is for long pani puri and this is for circular form of pani puri. You can make any one. So now we have to keep refined oil for heat. Then we are going to make the pani puri for fry, okay? So first we have to keep oil for heat. Firstly we have to keep the oil on medium flame for heat, and then we are going to roll our pani puri, okay? So let it heat very well. We have to roll the pani puri and then add in the oil directly. We don't need to keep it for rest, okay? So let it fry. Look how beautifully our pani puri is. Just look at this. Beautiful. We don't need to press or do any kind of things. It is going to be automatically. We have to turn it now. Now it is ready. Just look at this golden pani puri. Now we have to fry all the pani puri with the same process. Very crispy, very crispy. Here our pani puri is ready. Just look at this. Look at the crispiness and crunch. It's very easy to make at our home, so please try this. I hope you guys like the recipe how to make golgappa pani puri at home. It is very easy. So I am going to show you the crunch. Just feel the crunch, how crispy it is. I hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, please try this, and if you like, then please try, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.